How to disable read receipts on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Messenger app on a device. Sign in to your account. Head towards three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Now tap gear icon at top right corner of this menu. Scroll down. Tap Preferences section and open Privacy and Safety from there. Scroll down and under What People See, select Read Receipts. Make sure to turn the button off for Show Read Receipts, and this will disable read receipts on Messenger. Now, people won't be able to see when you have read their messages, and you won't be able to see when they have read yours. You can turn it anytime according to your wish. So that's how we can successfully disable read receipts on Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.